Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by x-square. So we can use about partial fractions. So capital A over s squared, capital B over s, and capital C over s plus 1. Because we have s squared, that means we need to have two fractions. And we need to know that the power should reduce from number 2 to number 1 and number 0. That's why we just have only two fractions in here. Next, we do common denominator. About this one, this is missing about s plus 1, so A multiplied by s plus 1. About B, this is missing about s and s plus 1, so we need to multiply by s and s plus 1 in here. About C, that's about s squared. And this one, that is about this one. Now we need to expand this one in here. Next, we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s squared, we have b plus c. About s, we have a plus b. About the number, we have a. Now we need to compare coefficients. We don't have s squared in here, so b plus c equals to number 0. About s, that is about number 1, so a plus b equals to number 1. And the last one, the number, we have negative number 3. So A equals to negative number 3. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solution of ABC. So A equals to number 3, B equals to number 4, C equals to negative number 4. So we put the value code here. So A equals to negative number 3, B equals to number 4, C equals to negative number 4. And now we have the final answer. The integration of negative over s squared in here. We have 3 over s. The integration of this one, we have 4 ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have 4 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And then we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.